Synergon, Initializing the Power Protocols. Yan ang tema ng National Youth Science, Technology, and Environment Summer Camp 2019. Pinangunahan ito ng Philippine Society of Youth Science Clubs na dinaluhan ng higit sa 1,000 estudyante mula sa iba't ibang paaralan sa Pilipinas. Nagkaroon dito ng workshops, lectures, activities, field trip at competitions. Isa si Sir Edric Calma, ang ating Director for Operations sa mga naging speakers ng Leadership Training Seminar. Ibinahagi niya dito ang best practices ng mga non-profit organizations tulad ng Knowledge Channel.
I would like to thank all the participants, all the sponsors, and Knowledge Channel for being one with us in this event, for sharing the love of science.
The event was a really fruitful learning experience for everyone, and we hope that all the stuff that we learned for this entire camp would be translated into the good works that we hope to do in the future.
Dito sa PSYSC, ang saya matuto!
Basta balitang pandagdag kaalaman, dito malalaman yan. Knowledge Now!